Good morning, students. So, we have already discussed about the plant tissues. So, we have seen different types of plant tissues. What are the tissues present in plant? Now, we are done with the plant tissues. So, we are going with the next chapter, animal tissues. So, do you think animals have tissues? Definitely. Animals also have tissues like plants. Is the what the tissues present in the plant is same as the animal tissues? No, the animal tissues are different. Okay, plant tissues are different and animal tissues are different. Let me fastly recap what are tissues. So what are tissues? Group of cells are called as tissues. Okay, group of cells are called as tissues. So this is the simple definition of tissue. But what is the correct scientific definition of tissue? Group of cells group of cells having same structure and doing same function is called tissue. Okay, so if you are asked what is tissue, simple definition is group of cells are called as tissues. So this definition is only for small classes like 4th, 5th. You can define the tissues as group of cells. Okay, but as of now you are in 9th class. How do you define the tissues? Tissues are the group of cells having same structure and doing same function is called as tissues. So we find tissues both in plants and animals. The tissues which are found in plants are called as plant tissues, which are found in animals are called as animal tissue. Clear? Now, so we know that group of cells are forming into tissues. Next, what happens when group of tissues combine? What happens when group of tissues combine? An organ is formed. The group of like if you see a stomach is an organ. How stomach is formed? Group of different tissues combine to form an organ which is stomach. Okay, different tissues. Suppose if you see epithelial tissue, connective tissue, all these different types of tissues combine to form an organ. And different organs combine to form an organ system. All of you know the flow chart. So, cells combine to form tissues. Tissues combine to form organ. Organs combine to form organ system. Okay, so our digestive system, respiratory system, all are formed. The first basic unit is cell. So group of cells combine to form tissues. Group of tissues combine to form an organ. An organ like this, an organ. And this group of organs combine to form an organ system. So group of organs combine to form an organ system. This is our organ system. Okay. Clear? So this is about tissues. Now we will discuss about animal tissues. What are animal tissues? How many types of animal tissues are there? What are their functions and where they are found? Okay. So the tissues found in animals are called as animal tissues. We have 4 types of animal tissues. mostly. 4 types of animal tissues are found majorly in the animal body. Okay, 4 types of major tissues are found in the animal body. So what are they? First one is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. Next is connective tissue. Next is muscular tissue. The fourth one is nervous tissue. Okay, we have 4 major types of tissues. It's not that there are no some other tissues are also there, but these are the main important tissues present in the body. We will study other tissues also, but in very brief. We will study these tissues in very detailed manner. So, mainly 4 tissues are present in the animal body. What are they? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. In addition to these tissues, you will find other tissues also. We will discuss that one also. But these are the 4 major types of tissues. Clear? Today we will discuss about the first major type of tissue, that is epithelial tissue. First major type of tissue is epithelial tissue.